welcome back with another video. Today I'm gonna some this is my character. You guys saw in the video, just so you know.
Oh really?
Yeah. I just did an intro already.
Oh really? Oh, let me go in the video. Wait,
You already are.
a bamboo stick. Yeah, my name.
Yeah, follow bamboo stick.
Yep. Stick. Bamboo stick. Nice. And I got it for yourself, okay.
Okay. Ooh, you got chocolate on your head.
Yep.
Yummy.
Have some. Yep. Right here. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Bulls, you want to see a magic trick?
No.
Any of you want to see a magic trick? Any of you want to see a magic trick? Okay,
Let's go to mountains.
Hey. Will you marry me?
Hey, yo. Nah, this tag lag.
No, ain't no tag lag, buddy. Yeah, Spider-Man, I'm reporting you.
Nah, GG. GG.
Everybody report Spider-Man. Everybody report Spider-Man. Hey, everybody report Spider-Man. Everybody report Spider-Man. Why? For false report? Join these. Is it because they just know my username? You suck, nerd! It was K9. It's K9. What? It's 99. No. Please don't report me, please. Username is 99.
You're in a video, just so you know.
I'm reporting you. Okay, if you report me, I report you.
GG.
You report me. You report me because I reported him and I hit cancel. 99. You report me because I reported him and I hit cancel. I was reporting you. And I hit cancel, bro. What are you talking about? I literally hit cancel, bro. Shut up. Can you guys shut the fuck up?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Can you do something?
Yo, chill out.
Andrew, have you ever gotten stuck? Actually, like you just actually talking to you. I'm talking to the other kid. Actually, man.
You're in a video. Orange. Never mind.
How do you get up? Don't talk about it. Actually, I had it back up. Hey, actually, man, you don't tell me what to do. Can I show you something? Tell me what to do, man.
Is actually
Come here. I want to show you something so you don't get tagged. I control my life and only me. So you don't get tagged. No, nobody cares. No, he's gonna tickle me because his name is Tickle Timpson.
Tickle Dimson?
Up here. Get up the slide. Again. Okay, that's it. I'll show you how to knock in. Lava Monk is coming. Lava Monk is coming. Okay, so put your...
Oh, shoot. I almost fell home.
He's cheating. He's really cheating. Report him, guys. Yes, report him. Yes. No. Yo, I discovered a new turbulence. I am Asian. No, you're going down. I'm literally right from passing that stream. I'm literally right from passing that stream, guys. Like, I'm literally right. Get that kid.
Oh, shoot.
And also, no, I can't. It's just, oh wait, no.
No. Come on. We can talk, man. We can talk.
No, I always tag you stuff. If you want to be like, and then for some reason,
I will get up there. I will get up there somehow.
so much. Hey, ABC, you want to be my friend? I can't get you on 1, 2, 3.
Wait, where's Blue? Did Blue get tagged already?
Say ABC. Hey, ABC, if you want to be my friend. Please. You're too fast. ABC. Yes, you can. I believe in you. Oh, I'm reporting you on Spider-Man, yep. Yep, I'm reporting you, bro. I'm reporting you. I'm faster than you. you though, bro. You're not faster than me, bro.
Oh yeah, I did a slam dunk on your face, bro. Report 99 for cheating, bro. Report 99.
Oh.
How am I cheating, bro?
No.
Get tagged.
GG.
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 Oh no, I hope you don't tickle me. Can't somebody tickle me? I'm
I'm gonna tickle you.
Okay.
Alright, we're about to try. Like, you have to go to the
You in a video. Oh, he has the stick.
Yeah.
Nah, dude. You have the stick. Nice.
I was planning on buying it. For
Just so you know, you're in a video
I'm
too.
going crazy. I've joined 40 lobbies at this point. I still haven't found it. Oh my.
Secure.oculus.com. Corner behind seat. Corner behind seat.
Those are lavas, bro. No, not you, I swear. Jamal, chillax.
Yo, Lava Monkey, can you tag me?
Fucking shit. I'm too good, bro.
Thank you.
I'm too good. I hit the route clean and smooth. Just like my bro. He got you. He got you so hard, like he's still running.
¿Cómo que sí, bro?
You want to hear it? Because I don't have to be annoying if you don't want to hear it. Okay. Where's that one kid who said he was gonna tag me? The new Oculus like headset strap with the card thing in it.
I need to investigate.
Oh, and I want to go play my right.
This is close. This is cute.
Put your batteries in it.
Same thing, it's right there. And the controller's in it.
Oh, where's
And
the
they
dude
won't
at?
charge.
Oh, he's right there. It didn't work.
Yeah,
Like
it's a scam.
GG.
Like they wouldn't work. I had to buy new ones.
Because it's the new. Why is it
I had to buy a
red?
new controller. I had to buy a new controller.
Oh wait, look what they did. This one's none of them are charging. Jamal, chillax.
No, but no, I literally put a brand new controller in it too.
Get the bed.
No, Jamal. And I have 60 hertz.
Jamal, look at you. My own kind.
Hey, dude. And I also have 60 hertz.
My own
I also
bull
have 60
kind.
hertz, but I just don't use it.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you.